Hey there, YouTube. It's Elizabeth, and I've completed, well, almost. I have almost completed another crochet project. This is a shawl, and I say almost because I have the two ends from the start and right there at the end that I need to tie off and weave in. I just can't find my needles, so, but I was in a filming mood, so I thought I would just show this off. It's in crochet. It's a very like open, loose pattern. Now, I'm not one to wear shawls, but whenever I go to a yarn store, I always see these like very lightweight, lacy shawls, and they're so pretty, and I thought I would make one. I might wear it. We'll see. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. Let me reach down. The yarn that I used is from Crocheted yarns. It's called Alpaculence, and it's mostly acrylic, but it does have, hope this will focus for you, there we go, it does have some alpaca and wool in it, and I was really attracted to this yarn because it does have like a strand of iridescent glitter in it, and I hope it picks up on camera, but it's not just like one color of glitter, it's iridescent, so it kind of has a green slash purpley slash yellow reflective quality to it. It's really pretty and just adds a lot of dimension to it. I got a gift card this Christmas from my mom to a yarn store in Morgan Hill, California, where they live. And so I picked up this skein of yarn, and I picked up another one that I'm going to make a hat with. So there's Newman. He likes to be involved. Yeah, I just thought I would show this off to you. I'm really proud of it. It crocheted up very quickly because it is such an open weave design. So there you go. Thanks for watching.